After cooking for so many years, I finally discovered this secret weapon. This is the grinding result from a traditional meat grinder. It's inconsistent, and using just one bowl often leads to flavors mixing together. Now take a look at the Donglin seasoning machine. It delivers a much finer grinding result, and with its separate large and small bowl design, you don't have to worry about flavors getting mixed. It's also very easy to use. Just press a button to start. With its 30-watt motor, it can grind meat into a fine texture in just 6 seconds. For everyday seasonings, using the small bowl is just the right size. After grinding, you can even use it directly as a serving dish, which is really convenient. Cleaning is also quick and effortless. Finally, you can attach the garlic peeling accessory. Just give it a few spins and you'll get clean, white garlic pieces. Meal prep becomes efficient and easy from now on. This is definitely something every kitchen should have.